Hello everyone, this is Katia CAD Doctor speaking. Today I'll give you the Zoom video lecture like this. Today's drawing name is Colander basket drawing as shown in this figure. First of all, I want to show you and let me have a chance to practice from Katia program for this drawing. First of all, for drawing it, we should enter to the generative shape design from this path. Therefore, and click the YZ plane and go in, enter to the Sketchy Workbench. Therefore, I'll give you some practice. For practicing, first of all, we click Start. First, click Start and Shape. And generative shape design should be selected for this drawing. If you click this drawing, then please click plus in part 1 name, near name, and please select first to YZ plane and enter to the Sketch Workbench like this. If you enter the Sketch Workbench, please have a sketch like this first. We should draw a profile. In this profile, near this profile, I should click first line and click the 3-point arc like this, and draw a slant line like this, and 3-point arc, and another line should be needed. And please first of all, we should give to the dimension from constraint menu, and in this slant line the length should be 95,515. Oh, and this the radius of this one should be 3 millimeter, and from this one and this one should be tied to tangency, and the radius of this one should be 3 millimeter again, and the length between this line and this line should be given to, I'm sorry, this is degree, therefore this one and this one should have the distance of distance changed from degree to distance, and 100 should be given, and this one, the length of this one should be 62.357 millimeter, and therefore everything should be changed. The color of every line should be changed from white to red like this. I'll check if this is same or not, uh, coincidence or not. Okay, if you complete this one, and we should exit to the Sketchy Workbench, and from the by using revolve option from here. Revolve should be hidden to this icon, and if we click the black arrow of this below extrude icon, then we can find some another four kind of icons like this. The first one is extrude, second one is revolve, third one is sphere, and first one is about cylinder. In this case, we should select revolve first. If you select revolve, then everything should be shown in this, like this figure, and the revolution axis should be because this is Z direction, we should select revolution axis to Z direction, and first angle should be selected, changed from 18 to 360 degree like this. And if you click preview, then you can complete the sphere revolve surface, completely revolve surface like this. We can find it. It is like the shape should be like hat wearing to the upper hat. Yeah. If you draw only this three profile, one three line and two curve, then you can complete this kind of hat like this. And next one, we should making some plane from wireframe, contained in wireframe. Then toolbar, then you can find making the plane from this plane definition dialog box, and this should be changed to offset from plane, and the reference should be this angle, this angle. Yeah, this is the reference, and rotation offset from plane, and maybe this should be 200 millimeter. Preview, then if this is generated in upper one, we should change it to the lower one from reverse direction like this. If we click reverse direction button, then the new plane should be generated in the lower of this kind of surface. And if this is generated well, then please click OK button like this. Therefore, because we should we already generated I have generated this plane, then therefore we should click this one and enter to the Sketchy Workbench like this, and please magnify, zoom in this one, and please maybe draw the sketch like this. First of all, for drawing it, please click profile, and in this place, then we should do making profile slowly. maybe in this case we should select 3-point arc from this one, and 3-point arc should be made like this, and another one should be drawn from profile button, and we can make line. Then this dimension of the corner radius should be given to maybe R equals 4 millimeter should be given, and for making lowercase we should select mirror image from this one, and this one should be mirrored in this case, and also this one, and this point should be this one, and this point should be coincidence from this button. And in this case also we should delete this one, and please connect from this corner and this corner, and the line between this one can be tangency from this bottom, and also this two line should be tangency like this. If you are making this one well, then please make dimension. Oh, I'm sorry, this one should be the unit of 18, 160 millimeter, and between this one and this one should have a coincidence. Oh, coincidence button cannot be active in this case. Therefore, because of this, I should select another method to give them a good sketch. For this one, I should do making another line, and please give them a distance like this, and please give them a distance like this, and another one should be selected for this one, and this one should be tangency from this button, and therefore we should do change this dimension from this coincidence table. Because of this, therefore we should do clicking and maybe some change should be needed. I'm sorry, I have some mistake for making this one and this. this one should have tangency like this, and the dimension, the curve between this one should be aligned to tangency, and everything should be well described from this button. If you finish this one, and please select for making another line, we should select to translate button from this one, and instance this is menu we should give it to 19.1, and please select this one, before clicking it we should select the target sketch first, and please select translate one, and the 19.1 could be selected, and from this one to this one should be selected. Then please in this case please remove the vertical lines and the semi circles. For this one we should select eraser quick trim button from this one, and we should remove this one, this one, this one, this one, like me. Please follow my instruction and draw and remove the corner arc from like me, and please remove this arc. The unnecessary arc should be deleted from this quick trim menu. Please follow my practice. As you know, this is unnecessary one, and please delete another unnecessary one. Could you understand this should be duplicated line? If you delete once again, then please delete unnecessary one like me. This is a duplicated line, therefore we should delete it for appropriate design. If you can check if this is duplicated or not by this operation like this. If it is okay, then please undo button, click undo button, and regenerate it again. Therefore, please, this one should be duplicated. Okay, maybe if this is okay, then this one should be connected into only one line. Therefore, please exit the Sketchy Workbench and find out this one should be uh, well generated or not. If this is completed well, then please click projection button from this one. Place in wireframe toolbar, and the project type should be along a direction. Change it to along a direction, and the projected one should be sketchy 2, and the support should be level 1. This one, and the direction should be z direction. And if this is errored, then please making the error correction. Please find the duplicated one. This one should be duplicated. Therefore, every vertical line should be this one also duplicated. Every line should be examined. This one also duplicated. Duplicated owner should be carefully examined. This one is also duplicated. This one 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 is not duplicated. Therefore, please exit, and once again we should select the projection menu, and along a direction support should be selected, this one, and the Z component. If we click preview, then everything is okay, and we don't have any error, because we should delete every duplicated line from my attitude. Therefore, if everything is well projected, then please hide unnecessary sketch from this place, and select sketchy 1 and revolute 1 and the plane 1. Sketchy 2 should be hide like this. Then only this kind of wireframe can be find out from this menu, and in this case another one should be operated from new plane definition. Click new plane from wireframe menu, and please just change it from offset plane type from offset from plane to normal to curve like this, and select project 1, and please select the point from this place, and if you click it well, then please click OK, and on other case you can find out another one like this. Generate the plane like this, and please select and click this sketch and go into the Sketchy Workbench like this, and please draw a circle from this one, and the circle diameter should be given to 1 millimeter, and please magnify it for confirm, and the center point of the circle should have the same coincidence coincidence like this. And if you click it well, then please exit this workbench, and I will give you another practice in next session. Thank you for watching this kind of video, and in next time I will finish this Colander basket drawing. Thank you for watching. Bye.